Hello, my name is Erlang Tawadi Effendi, and now I would like to welcome you to our presentation. We are students from Accountancy Study Program, and we are here to discuss about adverb of frequency. Now let's start with the basic definition. What exactly is an adverb of frequency? Simply put, an adverb of frequency is a word that describes how often an action happens. These adverbs are crucial because they directly answer the question how often and are commonly used to indicate the regularity or repetition of an event. Next, the uses of adverb of frequency. The main function of this adverb is to express how often something happens or how often something is true. They are essential because they add detail and clarity to our sentence by showing the precise frequency of an action or event. Now, let's look at the example provided on the right. First, my father always drinks coffee in the morning. The adverb always clearly shows the action happens every day. Second example is, I sometimes watch movies on the weekends. Sometimes indicate the action happens occasionally. And third example, she never smoked. The word never is used to show that this action does not happen at all. Next, list of adverbs and their relative frequency from 100% to 0%. Start at the top. 100 is represented by always, meaning the action is certain, like in the example, I always wake up at 5 o'clock. Moving down, we have usually and normally and often. These indicate a very high probability but not every single time. In the middle, at 50% we have sometimes, which means the action happens half the time. At the bottom, we have the low frequency, occasionally, seldom, and rarely. These show the action happens very infrequently. At the very bottom, we have 0%, never, which is a complete absence of the action, never. That doesn't. Next, adverbs of frequency are fundamentally categorized into two kinds based on their time specificity: definite and indefinite frequency. Starting with the adverb of definite frequency on the left, definite frequency use phrases that indicates frequency with a specific or clearly measurable time. They explain exactly when the event occurs. Examples of these pairs are hourly, daily, weekly, twice a year, or once a minute. On the right, we have the adverb of indefinite frequency. Indefinite frequency adverbs show frequency based on a general time range. They do not require a specific time commitment. The examples here are the ones we discussed earlier: always, usually, often, sometimes, occasionally, seldom, rarely, and never. That's all. Thank you.
Position of adverbs of frequency in sentence. The position of adverbs of frequency depends on the verb in the sentence. First, with the verb to be, am, is, are, place the adverb after the verb. Example, I am always tired after work. Second, with other verbs, place the adverb before the main verb. Example, she usually eats breakfast at home. Third, for emphasis, sometimes adverb can appear at the beginning or end of a sentence. Example 1. Sometimes I go running before sunrise. 2. I go to the gym after work usually. Next, example with present simple. Adverbs of frequency are most often used with the present simple tense to describe routines, habits, or repeat actions. Example 1. My father always takes me to go to school. 2. He usually goes to school by bike. 3. They rarely go to the sushi restaurant. Next, present continuous. Although less common, adverbs of frequency can also appear with the present continuous tense to describe temporary or repeat behavior, often expressing annoyance or surprise. Example 1. They're often meeting after class this week. 2. I'm always losing my keys. Shows frustration about a repeat habit. 3. She's usually working late this day. Temporary pattern. Next example with past tense. When used with the past tense, adverb of frequency indicate how often something happened in the past. Example 1. I always visit my grandmother on Sundays. 2. We often went to the beach in the summer. 3. She was never happy. Next example with future tense. Adverbs of frequency can also describe future intention or repeat future actions. Example 1. I will always remember this day. 2. We often plan trips in advance. 3. They rarely will forget an important event. Next, adverbs of frequency in longer sentence. You can use adverb of frequency with modals, helping verbs, or even in compound sentence. Let's see how that works. First, with modal verbs can, should, and will. 1. I can always count on my best friends. 2. You should never lie to your parents. Notice that the adverb comes after the modal and before the main verb. Second, in compound sentence. 1. I usually study in the morning, but sometimes study at night too. 2. He always eats breakfast and he never skips it. Third, with adverbs of time. 1. I often go jogging in the evening. 2. She usually visits her grandma on weekends. Next, adverbs of frequency in stories. When telling stories, adverbs of frequency help describe a character's habits or repeat actions. They add depth and realism to your narrative. Example, he always arrived late to meetings, but sometimes he brought great ideas that impressed everyone. Next, comparison with other adverbs. It's important to distinguish adverbs of frequency from other types of adverbs. 1. Adverbs of frequency show how often. Example, I often eat pizza. 2. Adverbs of time show when something happens. Example, I ate pizza yesterday. 3. Adverbs of manner show how something happens. Example, I eat pizza quickly. Next, I have tips for learning adverbs of frequency. Here are some effective tips to help you remember and use adverbs of frequency correctly. 1. Watch English learning videos or YouTube grammar lessons to see how native speakers use them. 2. Listen to English songs or dialogues and try to identify the adverbs used. 3. Practice ordering adverbs by frequency to remember their meaning.
Hello everyone, my name is Cynthia Khairuni Sandur Adinda with ID card 632-51636. And now I will ask you a few questions so we can understand this topic better. I already prepared 3 different types of question. The first type of question is a multiple choice questions. Now look at the questions. I seldom visit my relatives, so I blank see my Uncle Jordan. There is a blank space here, so we must choose the correct adverb. We have 3 options. A. Usually. B. Almost never. C. Almost always. I'll give you guys 5 seconds to answer this question. Alright, time's up. So the answer is B. Almost never. Here's the explanation. From the definition Oxford Languages, seldom usually has more negative connotation than positive. So the word seldom means not often, rarely, or almost never. So if someone seldom visits their relatives, it means that they almost never see them. That's why option B is the correct answer. Next, the second type of question is the sorting questions. Now, read these sentences together, and all you have to do is put them in the correct order, from most often to the least often. Here we go. A. I always ride my bike to school. B. He never sleeps before 9. C. She sometimes misses breakfast. D. You often go on holiday. And E. It rarely rains here. I give you guys 5 seconds to answer this question. Alright, so the answer from the most often to the least often is A, B, C, and B. Always, often, sometimes, rarely, and never. Here is the explanations. Always means every time, so it's like 100% of the times. Often means most of the times. Sometimes means occasionally rather than all of the times, so it's like 50%. Rarely means small number of times. And never means no times, so it's like 0% of times. Alright, now we get into the last type of question, which is a feeling question. Look at the sentence and tell me where the adverb of frequency should go. I'll give you guys 5 seconds to answer this question. Alright, so the correct answer is positions B. Here is the explanation. The rules is frequency adverb goes before the main verb, unless the main verb is to be. Then, adverb of frequency goes after. In that sentence, when there is a normal action verb like go, the adverb of frequency should be placed before the main verb. So, the correct pattern for this question is subject plus adverb of frequency plus verb and plus the rest of the sentence. So, if the sentence is I blank go to school, so the adverbs goes like I always go to school, I often go to schools, I rarely go to schools, and I never go to schools. Now I will explain a short story that uses many adverbs of frequency. This story tells about a daily routine. The story begins with I get up at 7 o'clock in the morning every day. Here, every day shows that it happens regularly. Next, the story says, I always take a quick shower and I always brush my teeth. Here, in this sentence, the adverb usually means it happens most of the times. And the adverb always means it happens 100% of the times, without missing a day. After that, it says, I always eat as fast as I can because hunger sometimes steals our food. So here we have 2 adverbs, always and sometimes. Always shows a habit, and sometimes means not every day, only on some days. Then the story continues. Me and my sister Lisa sometimes run to catch the school bus. Here sometimes tells us they do it only when necessary. When the character arrives at school, he says, I always start bothering Principal Skinner. This shows a strong habit. After school, the story says, I always walk on my way home. I never miss one day without walking or skating. Here, always and never are used again to show a routine that never changes. The story also includes adverbial frequency with numbers. I go skating 4 times a week, and twice a week I make jokes to Hammer. This shows how many times something happens in a week, and it's also a form of frequency. In the last part, the story says when Hammer gets angry, he sometimes destroys everything, so you always have to run. Here, sometimes means not every time, only in certain situations, and always means you must run every time he gets angry. So, from this short story, we can see many examples of adverb of frequency, such as always, never, sometimes, usually, 4 times a week, and twice a week. And all of them shows how many often an action happens. In conclusion, understanding and using adverb of frequency correctly is essential for expressing how often action occur in English. By familiarizing yourself with a common adverb of frequency and practicing the placement in sentences, you will enhance communication skills significantly. We can communicate more effectively and clearly in English by making good use of these tools. So, overall, adverb of frequency help us describe how often we do actions, which can be useful when we're talking about routines, free time, works, and studies in more details. And at the end, adverb of frequency and times are all around us. Alright, that's the end of our presentation about adverb of frequency. If you have any question, thoughts, or would like to share your own sentences using adverb of frequency, please leave a comment below. Happy learning and thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.